And next topic is multiplication of decimal. Now, before we learn how to do that multiplication, where do we need to multiply decimal numbers? Say you have gone to a vegetable shop and you want to buy 0.5 kg tomato. You ask the shopkeeper how much this is for. So he says 7.5 kg, 7 rupees 7.5 kg per kg, and you want to buy 0.5 kg of tomato. So how much money you have to pay? What you have to do? You have to multiply. So where this multiplication of this decimal number comes? Now what does it mean? 7.5 multiplied by 0.5. It means 7.5 you have to add 0.5 times. Okay, if you remember the number line, this 7.5 is nowhere on the line, but somewhere it is in between 7 and 8. Say this is, so when 7.5 means, and if I go to 7.5, that means I have multiplied 7.5 one time, but you have to multiply 0.5, so it will come near between this 3 and 4. Okay, it is 3.75. Now do you actually understand what happened here? I just multiply it on a number line just to relate that the same concept which is there for whole number, it implies here also. Okay, the concept remains same. Don't get confused with the line. Concept remain same, but on this number line we can see only the whole numbers. We can see only the whole numbers. Decimal numbers are not visible on this number line, so we cannot multiply using this number line. Okay, I just use this number line to make you understand that concept of multiplication of whole number and decimal number. It remains same, to only to make you understand that I use this number line. Okay, now for example, take the simplest decimal number. This is 0.1 and I'll multiply this. This is the simplest case. Okay, now 0.1, what does it mean? 1 by 10. 1 by 10. So that means 1 by 10 of 1 by 10. So if I consider these 10 compartments, okay, that is each one of it is 1 by 10. Okay, now if this is 1 by 10 I get, now 1 by 10 of 1 by 10, that means again I have to divide this compartment in 1 by in 10 equal part. Okay, so now this I have divided 10 equal parts. Now this each part is again 1 by 10. So I have divided this in 10 parts. Each compartment it becomes 1 by 10. Now this 1 by 10 again I have divided in equal parts. So each part has become 1 by 10. Okay. So 1 by 10 of 1 by 10. Now if this I want to consider this 1 by 10 is how much of this whole part. This 1 by 10 is how much of this whole part. Now what I have to do? So I have divided each compartment in 10 equal parts. So each compartment has to be divided in 10 equal parts, like same way. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So how many parts it is now divided? So 10 into 10, 100. So now this whole compartment is divided in 100 small compartments. Now this part, this green part is 1 by that 100 part. Okay. So that means 0.01. Understood? This 1 by 100. Okay. Next, if you forget this, if I multiply 0.1, 0.1. So this is 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. This is 1 by 100. Okay. This is 0.01. So whenever we multiply, you just forget about this decimal number. You just multiply as a whole number. So 1 ones are 1. Then you consider the number of digits that is after decimal. So here the number of digits after decimal is 1, and here also number of digits after decimal is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you have to move decimal 2 place. Okay, left. So this will be 1, 2, 2 place 0.01. Okay, thank you.